Hello friends, welcome to Rising Better YouTube channel. I am Raj and today I am going to show you how you can make slow motion or fast motion effect in your videos. So let's get started. I will only show you how to make the slow motion effect after learning it. You can also do it in the fast motion then. So let's get started. To download this app you have to go to Play Store, type slow motion video maker, go down and you can see in fourth option effectum, fast motion and slow motion rewind video editor. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to download it again. Also its rating, you can see it's a very good rating, 4.1, and 40k reviews and 5 million plus downloads. So open it, we will see the opening like this. Start the last option, slow plus fast. I will click the first video. You need to trim your video. I've trimmed like this. Next I will choose slow. Okay, go to the first and start. See, the video goes like this. You need to hold this button till the ending of the video, this slow motion button. Now release it. Now the step done. Now the video is processing, so let's pause the video till it's processed. So guys, it is about to end. You can download this app in the Play Store. It's just 32 MB. And you can use this effect for almost any video. Almost about to end processing. Our video has been processed, so let's watch the video. You can see how slow is the video. The video is quite very slow. So if you have liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment under the comment box, and please, after subscribing, please press the bell icon and share this video. So thanks for watching and goodbye. Please comment under the comment box how I can improve the video. Thank you.